All right. So, same day, different video. In this episode, we're gonna jump into getting the headlight off my 2009 Ram 1500. So let's get out to the truck and jump right into it. So to remove the headlight off the truck, you got two 10mm bolts, one here and one there. Take them off, then you gotta come around here to the wheel well. You got this little pocket right here. Get your trim tool, open it up. And once I get it open, I'll see if I can get in there and show you. It's a little pin you push up on and it unsnaps the light. Not really sure if you're gonna be able to see up in there or not. I can't really point it out. Once I get the headlight out, I might be able to give you a better shot. Now that I got that headlight out, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is that clip. So when you reach up through the fender here, you're gonna reach up in here and pull this, push this up. It's gonna be in the down position like so. You're gonna push that up and it'll release that light on this side of your truck. And then you have your one 10mm here, one 10mm right there, and the light will pop out. You have a little socket, it's a little ball socket that pops in here, so it'll be snug. Then you can unplug your light, take out your blinker, and the headlight is removed. So it's that simple. Get your headlight out, especially on these 09 Ram 1500s. If you need to know how to get your grill off, refer to my removing the grill video I'm about to put out. They're both that simple. It only takes 10-15 minutes to get them off and out of the way. So with all of that, this is AutoGuy DIY. Keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe, leave me a comment, get at me, and I'm rolling out.